We are here to celebrate the grand opening of our Community Empowerment Center, and we couldn't be any prouder today.
This is a historic day for our city and our schools. Not only does today officially mark the completion of our Equity in Action Plan, which has increased accessibility to school services across the division over the past 4 years, but it also represents the next act in this historic building's life.
This center is a one-stop hub of support, from helping families get started with school enrollment to offering workshops that strengthen connections and engagement with their students' education. Because we know that when families succeed, what happens? Students succeed. Since its opening, it has already supported more than 300 families in navigating RCPS registration, accessing resources, and connecting with the support they need. This is more than a building. This is legacy work.
It means doing work that's not necessarily just for us, but it is for the generations of children who will be served. Again, we have so many community partners coming together because they understand the value of having a hub, a community hub of support.
It is a very comforting thought to know when people are trying to understand how to access resources, we can just tell them, go to the Community Empowerment Center. They will guide you through the different steps with community partners that we know and we work with and we can refer people to.
I and all Afghan families are very thankful for the Community Empowerment Center support. They enrolled my kids in kindergarten and gave us school supply.
The day I came to enroll my child, I felt content to be able to get my child in Roanoke Academy School and everything needed in order to get my child enrolled in school.
3, 2, 1.
It has happened.